Moving forward to the 21st century, it is inevitable that science and technology and innovation become parts of human daily living. Nowadays, most of things around human being are developed from acquired knowledge being invented and evacuated as technology and further, as innovations responding to endless needs of human being. In Thailand, the organizations related to science and technology have played important roles in development of science, technology and innovation by encouraging applications of these developed STI to sustainably improve the country and people's quality of life. Synchrotron Light Research Institute Public Organization, or SLRI, is established under the Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation, formerly as the Ministry of Science and Technology, to serve as the country's central laboratory equipped with state-of-the-art scientific facilities. SLRI has also substantially promoted creation of scientific bodies of knowledge among researchers from both public and private sectors. The creation, later on, leads to new technologies that will eventually be developed into innovations to upgrade life quality of Thai people. The important research facility, which is as a heart of research, works as a product of full efforts and devotions of SLRI, is the light source with high intensity. The stated light source produces light with over 1 million times brighter than the sunlight. Researchers can fully utilize the light for study, research and development purposes. For example, application of the light to study structure in atomic scale of different materials to understand their physical properties, such as hardness, elasticity, and conductivity, and improvement of substance properties. This high-intensity light source is called a synchrotron light source. It is capable to produce light with properties superior to those generated from other sources, including tremendously high intensity and with wide wavelength covering infrared, ultraviolet, and X-rays. This is a special property benefits the view of internal physical structure in every scale and can be of great use. For example, from studying biomolecular bonds in the cells of living organisms using infrared light, testing chemical state of elements contaminated on metal surface using ultraviolet light, to study the structure of protein crystals using X-ray. All these unique properties of synchrotron light are key factors helping researchers to get to know and understand nature and matter behavior. They can also be applied to efficiently solve production problems and develop new products in industrial sector. The synchrotron light source generates synchrotron light from particles called electrons, which are released from current heated metal surface. Then, a large number of electrons are transferred into the particle accelerator, where their speed is accelerated until it is close to the speed of light, or 300,000 kilometers per second. After that, the electrons are sent into the electron storage ring, where synchrotron light is generated. Electrons in the vacuum tube are forced to abruptly change direction. They lose energy and finally emit energy in the form of synchrotron light. The generated synchrotron light needs beamlines in order to make use of the light in various purposes. Scientists, therefore, have designed beamlines to transfer the synchrotron light to the experimental end stations. The synchrotron light source at SLRI is one of around 50 synchrotron light sources located in 20 science and technology leading countries around the world. The SLRI synchrotron light source contains a capacity of 1.2 giga-electron volts with a storage ring with circumference of 81.3 meters. The 12 beamlines are currently available for researchers to be used for studies and cover almost every field, such as agriculture, environment, food, medicine, cosmetics, material sciences, and various industries such as rubber, polymer, metal, cement, construction materials, etc. Apart from the synchrotron light, SLRI is developing many different related synchrotron technologies. For example, vacuum technology, high accuracy control technology, radio frequency technology, and microstructure production technology. These technologies will be tremendously beneficial to the country's industries. Over the past 10 years of service, SLRI has moved forward alongside researchers with over 900 prominent research results. SLRI also supports Thai industries and has created several million baht of economic value over the past 7 years. With high expertise and experience of colleagues, SLRI is confident and proud to take part in supporting Thai industries and the country for continued and sustainable development in order to upgrade life quality and better living of people and to drive science, technology and innovation as a part of people's way of living in the 21st century.